In this video, let's see how we can switch on and switch off light inside of Unity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and add a light. I'm going to go into game object and go to light and going to add a point light. So I'm going to just place it somewhere so that I can see it properly. And let's increase the intensity just a tad. Maybe even get a yellow tint. Alright, there we go. So we have a light here, and what we're going to do is we're going to use a little bit of scripting inside of Unity just to see how that works in Unity. Now, if you go to your canvas page, under resources you should find a text called light.txt, and just open it up. And you should find something like this. Just save it as a notepad file, or just open it up and you'll find this information. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this onto a script inside of Unity. So let's see how we can do that. Go into Unity, and I'm going to select the point light, and I'm going to say add component, and I'm going to type in script, and it's going to show up as new script. I'm going to click on new script. I'm going to rename this as lights. Now this is important that you name it as lights. Say create and add, and then you'll see this script called lights, and it should be under in the direct assets folder. You should see the script called lights, and right now you don't have much. So if you install Unity properly, you should already have installed the necessary environments. Now Visual Studio is something that you need to install in order for scripts to work. So when you double click on it, if you have installed Unity properly, and if you have Visual Studio, they should open up. If you don't have Visual Studio, just download it, and it's free to download and use using your school's credentials, since it's Microsoft. So I'm gonna Control A to select all of this, and I'm gonna delete all of it, and I'm gonna select all of the information that's on the script, copy and paste it here, right? And let's take a look at some of the things that's on this script. So the public class, it says it's lights. Now that's why I said the script needs to be named lights. Now if you want to change it to something else, you can, but make sure that something that you change the name here, this name here, and this this here needs to match up, otherwise it's not going to work. And what it's saying is, it's basically starting the script is starting, and it's saying if input get key, if I press L on my keyboard, this get component the light enabled. So when I press L, the light switches on. Basically that's what it says. If input get key code N, which means the input is what I'm gonna press. If I press N, then the lights are false for enable. That means it's gonna switch off the lights. So that's basically what the script means. I'm gonna save this and then close it off, and then you should see this section get updated. So if I go back to the point light, you should see that there is a script called lights here, light script. Let's see if that works. So I'm gonna press play. I'm gonna go inside, and I'm gonna press N to switch it off, L to switch it on, N, L. So like this, if you create an environment, you can create switches for your lights.